Good morning, students. Today we are going to read our 5th chapter of English. Topic is It's Raining in Agumbe. Before reading the chapter, we will discuss something. Students, you know which place gets the heaviest rainfall in India? Students, many people believe that Cherrapunji is the wettest place in India. However, the truth is that the nearby village of Mawsynram has registered more rainfall. Students, you know which place gets the heaviest rainfall in South India? Students, that is Agumbe. Agumbe in Karnataka gets the heaviest rainfall in South India. That is why it is also called Cherrapunji of South India. So, let's begin. Agumbe is a small village in Karnataka. It is in the hills of Western Ghats and often called Cherrapunji of South India. This place is known for its beauty, thick forest, animals and rare plants. Agumbe Rainforest Research Station is a field-based conservation and research organization. Students, Agumbe Rainforest Research Station is conservation and research organization. The place attracts many tourists as well as scientists and researchers. Students, let's read the conversation between two school children to learn interesting facts about Agumbe. Sorry, students, we have to. Before reading the chapter, complete reading and comprehension, we will discuss some word meanings. Students, conservation means preventing something from being waste or destroyed. Means किसी चीज़ को सुरक्षित रखना, किसी चीज़ को वेस्ट होने से या ख़राब होने से बचाना. और research means research is a careful study of subject or of discover new information about it. Students, research सुना ना, scientists discovery करते हैं ना, that is research. Now, let's read. Madhav, hi Geetha, wait for me, stop walking so fast. Geetha, hurry up. Madhav, I want to reach school as fast as possible. Madhav, why? It's quite early. We have a lot of time to reach school. Let's enjoy the cool and cloudy weather. Geetha, look at those dark clouds. I hope it does not rain. Madhav, of course it will rain. We live in Agumbe. Geetha, Geetha, I have forgotten to bring my umbrella. I don't want to get wet. Madhav, how can you forget to bring an umbrella in Agumbe? It's the wettest place in South India. On top of that, it's monsoon season. It's monsoon means the season of heavy rain during summer. बारिश का मौसम होता है ना, बरसात का मौसम, that is monsoon. Now come to the next page. Geetha, oh don't lecture me. My cousins have come for a visit. I got so busy telling them to remember to carry their umbrellas that I forget my own. Students, lecture means teach someone. से आपको क्लास में पढ़ाया जाता है या कोई भी आपको she said कि don't lecture me, कि मुझे मत सिखाओ. Madhav, don't worry, I have got mine. We will share if it rains. Geetha, well, thank you for the offer, but your small umbrella won't be able to save my shoes from getting wet. Madhav, you are right. umbrella doesn't protect our shoes. We will also have to be careful of the puddles on the road. Geeta. What about our bags? Your umbrella is too small to cover us as well as our bags. I don't want my books and notebooks to get wet. Madhav. Stop complaining so much. Tell me about your cousins instead. Where have they come from? Geeta. My cousins have come from Bangalore. Kala and Bella wanted to see a rainforest. Yesterday they walked to Agumbe Rainforest Research Station. They couldn't stop talking about the number of leeches that climbed on their bodies. Which leeches means, as you can see in this picture, एक लीचेस होती है, एक जिसके पैर नहीं होते हैं, ऐसा क्रिएचर होता है जो स्किन पे चढ़ जाता है, एकदम से चिपक जाता है. माधव. Don't you warn them about leeches? Geeta. Of course. I told them to wear close-fitted clothes and knee-length socks and shoes. The leeches still got them. She said कि उसने उनको कहा था कि वो फिट क्लोथ्स पहने, फिर भी उनको लीचेस ने उनके ऊपर चढ़ी गई वो. So, students, we have completed first part of our chapter. So, we will discuss the next part of the chapter tomorrow. Thank you.